Hi, today for the fix Xiaomi 13 Lite, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, you should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we'll just see that we successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more application just by press and hold and drag the app to the folder. Also, we get we could change the name of the folder to rename it. Just click once on the name and enter the new one. Apps, for example, tap the home button and we can see that we just successfully renamed it. To move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. Also, we could create the new screens with the help of the folders. That's also not a problem. And if you want to remove the application from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and click to remove. But you'll remove only the thumbs from the home screen, so thumbs you will see after that in the system apps. So also we can create all of the we can hold it and tap to edit folder and just watch the size of our folder to enlarge it or just to use the regular size. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.